In today's video, we'll be unboxing and reviewing the A.O. Smith X2 water purifier. A.O. Smith is an American multinational company. Now, this is an ultraviolet and ultra-fine water purifier with a capacity of 5 liters. It comes in only one color scheme, that is black and white. Now, this is not a reverse osmosis RO purifier, so it's not going to change the TDS as well as the taste of your water. Installation will be provided by A.O. Smith at free of cost if you purchase it from Amazon. This purifier works on 5-stage purification process, also called as 5S technology. In the first stage, the water passes through the sediment filter, then the fine sediment filter, then the carbon block, and in the end the UV lamp and the UV filter. Advanced UV lamp is a proven non-chemical disinfectant technology suitable for water with low TDS. There are no switches on the purifier, but you do get notification on the LED screen. You will also be alerted when the UV lamp and the filter are to be changed. You should get this filter if you have a TDS of less than 150 ppm. When the A.O. Smith technician comes for installation, they will measure your TDS, and if it is found that your TDS exceeds 200 ppm, then your 1-year warranty will not be valid. The unit weighs around 9 kg without water. It takes about half an hour to fully fill the tank. As I said before, this will not change the TDS and the taste of the water, but it will ensure that the bacteria and the viruses are eliminated, ensuring safe drinking water. It costs less than 10,000 Indian rupees, so if you want to buy, I will leave a link in the description box below.